guys, so today I'm going to be filming a brand new video, and today I'm going to be using the Mini Breaker palette. So like I said in my, I think it was 2, maybe 3 videos ago, I did a look on the actual Jawbreaker palette. So like I said in that video, I did say I was going to do a look just on the Mini Breaker palette on itself, just because I know some of you guys wanted to see what look I could recreate or create with this palette. But I'm actually not going to dip into any of these purple shades or any of these purples, to be honest, or actually the pink too as well. I'm only going to be dipping into these 4 shades, the neutrals. And like I said, I know y'all are probably shook. I'm not used to doing neutral shades on my channel, so just in case any of you guys did want to see a neutral look from me, this is going to be the closest to neutral that I can get. But of course, I'm not going to just do a plain old neutral look without adding some sort of color. So I am going to go in with my Mayron color palette, and I am going to use the orange shade in here just to use it as like kind of like a creative like streaks of lines. So yeah guys, if you want to see how this look turns out, then just keep on watching. So guys, as you can tell, I do have like a full-on like new hairstyle or whatever. Like, I mean, not really an old hairstyle. I used to have this hairstyle back in the day, girl, like back in high school. I used to have this hairstyle, but I kind of like threw it away because I was like, you know what, new year, new me. And I had like, you know, like the whole straight hair, but I thought it kind of looked a little dirty. It looked messy. I wasn't feeling it. I felt like I needed a clean, fresh look. And I feel like this looks way more put together and I look more fresh and young. So yeah, let's stick with being that. And for primer, you guys, I am going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer, of course. I mean, I don't use any other primer besides this one. So first I'm going to be dipping into the shade Double Scoop. Okay, I remember. Okay, I'm going to show you guys kind of like a sneak peek of how it looked. But this is how the look turned out. It kind of looks it looks cute, but it looks a little natural. I'm going to try to make it more dramatic and add more pigment. I think when I was trying this out, I was just trying to try out the shadows and see how it looked all together. But I think now that I know how it works. Okay, now I'm going to dip into the shade Hot Fudge, and I'm just going to use this to kind of like deepen out my crease because I kind of want that really nice smoked out look like always. You already know. And you guys, I know it's been a while. It's been, I think a week, maybe a week it's been, or maybe 2 weeks. I hope it's not 2 weeks. If it's 2 weeks, you guys, I'm so sorry, but I know I have been gone from YouTube since my last video, which was the Pac-Man look. I did gain a couple subscribers from that video. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel. I didn't get that many views, but I did get new subscribers from it. But like I said, I usually do colorful looks, and I kind of wanted to do a neutral look on my channel at least once, just in case there is someone that doesn't do colorful looks all the time. They want like an everyday look. I mean, I'm not gonna really do, this is not really gonna do an everyday look because I'm gonna be adding like colors and lines and all that, but just doing the eyeshadow alone, it could just be a plain old cute everyday look you can go out with. And then I'm just gonna go back in with Double Scoop, and we're just gonna blend it. Okay, now we're gonna go back into the eyeshadow primer that we used to lay down our base, and we're gonna go in with the Anastasia 18 brush. We're just gonna use this to cut our crease, and don't do like a full-on cut crease, just do like a half cut crease. Now we're going to be dipping into that orange shade called Orange Crush. It's this like middle shade right here. Girl, we're going to go ham on this shade because like I said, we're going to pack this all over. Oh my god, I don't know if I went this ham with the yellow. Let me go look at this yellow orange real quick. I mean, I did do the orange on the crease, but I don't think I added that much. But now I'm going to go back into Hot Fudge. We're going to go back into Hot Fudge and orange soda, just a little bit, or orange Double Scoop, sorry. So I'm just gonna go back into Hot Fudge and Double Scoop. We're just gonna go back in both of them, a little bit more of the Hot Fudge, and we're just going to blend out this piece right here. I'm like, how do you guys like that, girl? Y'all know that is low-key kind of cute. For this being like a neutral look, this is the only reason why I had to recreate it again, because it was like such a pretty look. Like, I don't know, it was so pretty, even though it's just neutral shades. And I'm like, that pop of orange makes a difference and really changes up the look. I did add primer under here. So now we're going to be dipping back into Double Scoop. And we're just going to just basically just blend all these shadows. And we're gonna go in with that orange shade, the Orange Crush. And like I said, this isn't really a shimmer. It's kind of like a shimmery matte shade. I don't know how to describe that. I added this last time in my inner corner and it kind of worked. Just gonna blend that out. And we're gonna bring it out as far as you can. Okay guys, so I actually brought it out pretty far. So this natural look, everyday look is gone. Like, you guys should have expected that. The look totally changed. I mean, like I said in the beginning, it was natural on my phone. Speaking of my phone, girl, look at my case. I just got a new case and it's so cute. I can definitely wear this every day. Y'all just need to add a little bit less yellow. I mean, a little bit less of the orange and go in with the gold shimmer probably, and just do that instead. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with this CoverGirl 920 CoverGirl True Naked Queenship Cream Shadow Stick. Oh my god, that's a long name. But I don't think these are out yet. If they are out, then I'll have a link down below, but I don't know if these are out yet, like I said. But these are super cute, and it's kind of like a really cute, pretty champagne shade. What I'm gonna do is just add this in my inner corner. Okay guys, so now for the actual art, I did add like a little squiggly lines and like an orange overcut with the orange shade, and I hope this turns out right, because when I did this, it wasn't really anything special. I just did it just because. Ooh. And I'm just going to be dipping into my Mayron palette. This is the Mayron Paradise 8 color palette, and this is the one I use all the time. I'm not going to show you guys how my palette looks. If you guys were at my live, you already know how it looks. Brush, this is the Anastasia Swish brush. Swish swish bitch. But no, yeah, this is my favorite brush. It's so detailed, like it's amazing. So now I'm going to spray my palette. Probably going to use a little bit, don't need that much water. And I'm just going to start mixing and getting this color the way I want it. So you guys, this is how the look looks before lashes and mascara. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks before I put on the lashes, because sometimes my lashes could you know, cover up the eyeshadow, but I doubt it is, because in the photo that I took, it didn't really cover too much. So yeah, as you can see, it's a lot more dramatic now, but it's the same squiggly line. I didn't do anything different with that part. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go put on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that I have my lashes on, as you can tell, they're looking a little cute. And for a highlight, I am going to go in with the Brain Freeze from Jeffree Star Cosmetic. And I've actually been loving this Gold Breaker shade. I've been using it like literally every freaking day. Mixed with Cold Shoulder. I know it has blue in there, but it works. Trust me, it works. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to go in with the Buxom lipstick in the shade Goddess. This is from their Full Force line. So I know a couple of you guys are probably going to ask what lip liner I'm using. And I'm using the ILMAKIAGE lip liner. And for mascara, I did use the ILMAKIAGE mascara. And then for primer, I did use the ILMAKIAGE primer. If you like the products you just saw right now, I'm going to have a link down below for the ILMAKIAGE website where you guys could check out my page, because I am on their website. So there are 2 videos on the ILMAKIAGE website currently right now that you guys could check out that are not on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to go see those, I will have the link down below. But there's also something very special going on right now. And if you guys click the link down below, you guys are able to try out y'all are able to try out 4 products from ILMAKIAGE from my specific video. If you guys go into my video, the products are all listed already there. If you guys click 4 products, you guys could try all those 4 products out for free. So this is the Buxom lipstick in the shade Goddess. Oh my god, you guys, it's so pretty with that lip liner. I promise you, if you guys are going to purchase anything, try out this lip liner from ILMAKIAGE. But like I said, you guys could try out 4 products for free. So you guys, this is the final look. I'm so freaking, like, I'm feeling myself right now. I think it's because of the lashes and the eye look, to be honest. You already know, as soon as I put these lashes on, I'm a whole new person, and that's on period. So yeah, you guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions you have for me, because I love hearing you guys' comments. If no one told you you're beautiful, you're beautiful. Okay, bye guys.